Welcome to a Gem Lab QuickTip, where we quickly go over a specific solution to a problem or setting you may not know about. This is our third audio QuickTip, and this time it's about audio scrubbing. This is going to be a setting that you either love or hate, and it might be something that you want for some parts of your editing process, but not for others. Audio scrubbing is the ability to hear audio as you are just dragging your playhead over footage, not playing it using the spacebar, or using the arrow keys to frame forward or backwards over it. It's especially useful for precision work, like when you're placing in and out points, editing audio, or trimming clips. For example, when cutting dialogue, it might be a bit difficult to figure out exactly which frame a word ends on, if your subject is using run-on sentences, for instance, just by using the spacebar alone. To enable or disable audio scrubbing, go to Premiere Preferences, Audio submenu. The second checkbox from the top is Play Audio While Scrubbing, which will allow you to toggle this feature on and off. And there you have it, nice and simple. If you found this tip helpful, maybe give the video a like or subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Best of luck on your editing projects.